Hello, my name is Fitz, and I'm here today to introduce Global Ticket System, the future of tracking repairs. With just a few clicks, you can easily create a new ticket for a new repair. This ticket will show up in open tickets. Closed tickets will show up in closed tickets, so you know which repairs are still in progress. Let's make a test ticket now. You can easily select the source, put the customer's email, their phone number, their first and their last name, and much more. You can select between iPhone, iPad, MacBook, and many other devices for your repair. You can select which service you're doing on this device, and you can put in notes. We can put in the cost so you know how much to charge the customer, and then you can select in diagnosis, in repair, waiting for part, repair completed, or closed. If we're waiting for the part, I'm going to click waiting for part. This ticket will now show up in open tickets. If I will finish the repair and I want to close it, I just click closed. And now it's closed. We offer a 100% free trial to get started, so what are you waiting for? Give Global Ticket System a try today.